Hello students, in today's lecture we study about the organometallic chemistry, which is the new unit 3, organometallic chemistry, which is from paper 1 inorganic chemistry from 6th sem. Okay, so here we study the organometallic chemistry. So first one is definition of organometallic chemistry. So here word the organometallic chemistry, that means organic and metallic, which represents the inorganic chemistry. So organometallic chemistry, it is the branch of chemistry that act as it's the bridge between organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So organometallic chemistry, that means the organic chemistry and metallic chemistry. So it is the branch in which there is a bridge between organic and metallic chemistry, which is called as the organometallic chemistry. So in organometallic compounds, okay, which are organic compounds of metals in which metal is directly attached to the carbon and metal carbon bond is present. So condition is that the metal which is directly attached to the carbon and there is metal carbon bond is present. Okay, so only that compound we say that the organometallic compound. Okay, for example ferrocene. So in ferrocene, iron compound is directly attached to the carbon. Okay, so there is the bond between the metal and carbon, then it is the organometallic compounds. Okay, so it is the important lies in the production of new reagent, this organometallic compound, that means the attachment between the carbon and the metal, which is lie in the production of new reagent and catalyst which are used in the preparation of the useful compounds. For example, use of Grignard's reagent, which is organometallic compounds, which is the use in preparation of useful compound. It act as a reagent or act as a catalyst. Okay, then with the use of Grignard reagent or which are organometallic compounds of magnesium and alkyl lithium, we can prepare the almost any class of organic compound. So there are many use of this organometallic compound. Okay, next one is the compounds like the aluminum triethyl, sodium acetate. In that compound there are metal also and the alkyl groups also. Okay, but this is not the organometallic compound because there is no direct bond between the metal and the carbon. So in this is the aluminum triethyl compound. So formula is Al, this is metal, so in that compound there is carbon also present and metal also present, but we can't say that this is the organometallic compound because this metal does not directly attach to the carbon, it is attached to the oxygen. That's why this is not the organometallic compound. Next one is the classification of organometallic compound. So classification of organometallic compounds based on the two types. First one is the classification based on the nature of atom or groups. Okay, so this in this organometallic on the basis of this nature of atoms or groups attached to the metal atom, organometallic compound can be classified into two groups which are given below. First one is the simple organometallic compound and second one is the mixed organometallic compound. That means metal atom attached with which type of organic groups, okay, which depends on is divided into two simple organometallic compounds and mixed organometallic compound. In simple organometallic compound, metal atom is attached with the organic part or attached with the organic part as well as hydrogen atom. Okay, that means this lead attached to the carbon as well as the hydrogen. Then it is known as the simple organometallic compound. Okay, now the simple organometallic compounds also divided into simple organometallic compound means metal atom attached to the directly attached to the carbon or hydrogen, and again it is divided into two: symmetrical simple organometallic compounds and unsymmetrical simple organometallic compound. So here this is the two types of organ can be into two parts: symmetrical and unsymmetrical simple organometallic compound. Okay, next one is the mixed organometallic compound. In this type of organometallic compounds, this metal atom is attached with the organic part as well as the other atoms or group other than the hydrogen are known as the mixed organometallic compound. For here CH3MgCl. So this metal which is attached to the organic part as well as the other atom other than the hydrogen. So it is the mixed organometallic compound. So there are two, this is the classification of organometallic compounds: simple organometallic compounds and mixed organometallic compounds. And this classification depends on the nature of atoms or groups attached with the metal. Next classification is classification based on the nature of the bonding. Okay, which type of bond present between the metal and organic part of the compound. Okay, so it is on the basis of the nature of bonding between the metal atoms and the organic groups, the organometallic compounds, which is divided into three classes: sigma bonded organometallic compounds, ionic organometallic compounds, and pi bonded organometallic compounds. So let it study by one. First one is the sigma bonded organometallic compound. So each type of organometallic compound, there is the sigma bond is present in between the metal and organic part of the compound. Excuse me. So in that this sigma bonded organometallic compound, there is the sigma bond present between the metal and this organic part of the compound. So in such type of organometallic compound, sigma covalent bonding between the metal atom and the carbon atom of organic part occurs. This type of organometallic compounds are mostly formed by the p block elements. Okay, this is generally it's formed by the p block elements, and because of the electronegativity difference between the carbon atom of organic part and p block element is very small. So this electronegativity between the p block element and this organometallic carbon, it is nearly small. That's why it formed the sigma bond, because it's the condition to formation of the sigma bond. That means the electronegativity nearly same. That's why it these sigma bonded organic compounds are formed by metals, which is the p block metals. P block elements. Then next one is the ionic organometallic compound. In such type of organometallic compound, ionic bonding occur between this metal and this carbon atoms of organic part. In this type of the organic metallic compound, there occur large electronegativity difference between the S block element and the carbon atom of organic part. So this type of compound are formed by the metal of the S block element, because there is electronegativity difference between the carbon and the S block element. So it forms the ionic organometallic compound. Third is the pi bonded organometallic compound. In such type of organometallic compound, there is the normal sigma bonding as well as pi bonding, or it's also called the back bonding, occurs between the metal atom and the carbon atom of the organic parts. So depending on the nature of the bonding between the carbon and the metal, it forms the sigma bonded organometallic compound, ionic organometallic compound, and pi bonded organometallic compounds. And this is the example of each. Okay, thank you. So in today's lecture, we study about the introduction part of the organometallic compound. Then classification of organometallic compound. Thank you.